Hi y'all, so today I'm gonna do unboxings. So the first one is, let me see. So it's because I put two in one bag, but it's from two different completely brands. Anyways, so the first one is from Purifine. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks like this. It's a skincare product. It's an anti-wrinkle eye cream plus microcurrent vibration massager. Oh, it comes with a massager and a cream. That's so cool, and it's for all skin types, so I'm so excited because as you can see, I have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, eczema prone skin, stress rash prone skin, everything prone skin, like this pimple right here and this pimple right here. I guess last night or yesterday, yesterday I used this Dr. Zenovia spot treatment, and it made it more, you know, big and red, and that yellow white stuff gunk came out using this. Before it was just red, so I guess this is working, I hope. So yeah, I'm gonna try and use it today. This keeps falling. It's because it's satiny or silky, and my hair is very thin, so that's why it's also not letting it stay. It's like butter and butter together, so it keeps slipping. Oops, wrong side. Oops, let me fix it. Okay, hope it stays. Anyway, so I fixed it, and it's an eye cream, like I said. And then how it works, you just squeeze the tube to apply pea-sized amount on your ring finger from the massager head to gently tap small dots under your eyes, starting in the innermost corner and moving outward, so like that. And hold the sensor and touch skin with the massager, which will automatically turn on. Alright, and massage in circular motions. I'm scared because like I said, I have sensitive skin. I don't know if I should wait until this pimple disappears or just use it right now. So microcurrent technology is a non-invasive therapy that sends out a low voltage current that is similar to the natural electrical currents in the body. Alright, so it even says facts about what microcurrent is, how to use it. That's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna open the packaging and show y'all, because this is an unboxing. Maybe I'll do a try on at the end of this unboxing. I don't freaking know. But let me open it. So this is how the box looks. It's very pretty, sleek, holographic. It's so pretty. Okay. Good thing I have nails, because it's easy to open boxes right now, because I normally have it short. But anyway, so this is how it looks. Ooh, it's very sleek and pretty. Look. Alright. Okay, so you can see the, what's this called? I forgot. The microcurrent vibration massager. So I wonder if this vibrates. I'm assuming it does. So this is what you use under your eyes, like this. Okay. And this side, I'm assuming it's the cream, right? I guess so. It looks yellow. Oh, I guess I squeeze this part, and then all the cream goes here in the applicator, and that's how I use it, I'm assuming. So for now, I'm gonna take a break from this, and I'm gonna continue unboxing videos, but for this unboxing, for this video, I just wanted to unbox this first. So this is how it looks. I'm so excited to try this, and I don't use eye cream, so this came in clutch. An anti-wrinkle cream. I do have a little bit here, not a lot. It's more like fine lines. They're not really wrinkles, but they're starting to form. I mean, it's natural. It's hard to like, but it's better to prevent it, you know, from happening early on. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. So okay,